Dear Thailand, we hear you have an amazing breakfast called pad krapao, and we have to make it. Continuing with our Breakfast Around the World series, our favorite meal, mine, favorite meal, Max.
Lunch.
Chancey?
Dinner. Or dessert.
Chancey likes dessert as his favorite meal. It's disappointing, I didn't know that. Suddenly, don't you see him differently now? Breakfast for me. And for a lot of people, but it doesn't matter. Just because it's breakfast doesn't mean it has to be eaten at breakfast. This is very simple. Jeez, the flies, man. Well, I've got pork right here. The flies are big. You make it in less than 10 minutes. That's the point. From start to finish, 15 minutes. You're cutting vegetables and shit like, you're gonna be fine. Come down here, follow along. Don't write anything down because the recipe's below. Probably. Alrighty then. The first ingredient in our little bowl is fish sauce. Not fishy. Okay, well, it smells a bit fishy, but it doesn't taste fishy once it gets all mixed in. Then some light soy, a little oyster sauce, then dark soy, and if you don't have dark soy, just use more regular soy. And finally some sugar. And all this, of course, we will mix. Next is our aromatics, consisting of finely diced shallots. Yes, you could substitute red onion, a lot of chopped garlic, and 3 Thai chilies for good heat that we will chop up using gloves, because I've made the no glove mistake before, and let's just say you don't want to. And Thai chilies are definitely worth looking for because they bring good heat, but if you can't find them, Serrano's not quite as hot, but they'll stand in very well and certainly easier to find. And now we cook. A little oil in the pan, and in go the shallots and the garlic. Give them just a minute or so to start smelling tremendous. Then in go the chilies, and they get just a minute as well. Next is a pound of ground pork, which could be ground chicken or ground beef, actually, but we're doing pork. My recipe, I'll do what I want. So now we're just cooking until the color's gone and there's no, liquid in here.
A lot of pork for one breakfast.
But I think this is 2 people. I mean, potentially 3. It's not 4. This much is not very much. Even with rice, I think you want more. See the liquid? We're waiting for that to go away. Ready for the sauce? And we're mixing it in, of course. But if you could smell what was going on here, you'd move to Thailand. Okay, but don't, because this is a lot easier. And when it's all mixed in, we add some chicken broth. That gets mixed, of course. But there must be a little taste in here somewhere, so let's try it. And oh, holy crap, the spice is ideal, and the oyster sauce, despite what you might think because of its name, just gives a beautiful sweetness. Okay, and we wait for the liquid to evaporate. We add a handful of basil, and if you could find Thai basil, use it. If you only find regular, old-school American basil, use that, you're still going to be happy. And just mix it in until it wilts. Now, it won't take more than about 30 seconds. And then off the pan comes, and of course breakfast needs eggs, so let's make one. In a hot pan, and we're using oil, because the oil will help get the crispy edges, and we'll use it to baste the white to get it cooked while keeping the yolk perfect. And when that's done, now we can build. So first up, some plain white rice in our bowl, some of the oh so delicious crazy pork, and finally our eggs. Now just look. Take a deep breath. Take it in, because to me, that is near perfect. And when there's beautiful yolk, there must be the money shot. And here we go. Well, we gotta do this, right? Let's get some egg, of course, a little rice, and some of the pork. And truth be told, I've already been eating the pork, and oh my god, what would they say in Thailand?
French.
Bon appetit. New favorite breakfast. Not kidding. Oh my god, the pork is so good. It is so good. Think about it. You prep in 5 minutes, you cook in less than 10, and then you eat it in a couple. You're out the door in no time. It's delicious, it's fast, it's healthy, and I want this every day for breakfast for the rest of my life. And so do you. Hit the recipe below, hit the like button, hit subscribe. We'd love you to be part of the family. It costs you nothing. It just supports us. And because we love subscribers so much, we're giving away one of those cooking guy knives every video this year just for you being a subscriber.
That could be your hand.
That's weird. Max says that could be your hand. We throw a name up on the screen like this. Oh, the Thai chilies. By the way, the absolute perfect amount of spice. You put your name up, you reach out at info@thecookingguy.com. We'll hook you up with a knife. In the meantime, I got some eating to do.